What's up all? Hope you guys are having a great day. As promised, today will be an NFT video. I am by no means an NFT expert. I actually just got into the space just a month ago. But I am going to share with you guys what I've noticed in the space and give you guys 5 pointers on choosing an NFT project to invest in. As always, I respect your time. So if you are just here for the bottom line, I'll give you the main point of the video right away. And so, the 5 pointers that I have for you guys are: firstly, the art itself, how involved the team is, the community, the contract, and lastly, the roadmap. If you want to know more about the full analysis, you're welcome to stay throughout, and leave a like and comment while you're at it. So the first pointer being the art itself. A certain NFT is going to look different to every individual. It depends how you look at the art. Some might think a red circle with some pattern in it is art. Some might think it's rubbish. So to each their own. What I'm trying to say is, you first have to like what you are going to buy or invest in. Worst case, if you are unable to sell the NFT or the project dies out, you still have something you like in your collection. Personally, if I don't like the art, it's a high chance that I would not buy it. Most of the time, that is. But that doesn't mean I would 100% not buy it. The next pointer I have is how active the team is. Like what I stated there, if the team isn't active, let's say in Discord, where most communities are, the community will not be active. And then the project usually dies out. So no matter if the art or contract is good, the project will die without the team. So, in the Discord groups, the team should be active in it and answer questions from the community. With an active and vocal team, they are more likely to get more eyes on it, more collaborations with other projects, and airdrops. This will make people from the outside that have yet to invest FOMO in and start to ape. With this, the presence of the team will build confidence in investors, and this will make them stay on. The third pointer is the community. This point is similar to the previous. If the community is not active and is very quiet, the project will die out soon. So, an example of a strong community is the Bored Ape Club. I'm sure you guys know about them. They did not do so well at the start when the project just started out, but with their strong community, they started trending and raising the floor prices the past few weeks. Current floor price being 13 to 14 Ethereum, and their minting price was just 0.08 Ethereum. That is some mad gain some people have. So, how do we determine if a community is active? Of course, just be in the Discord group. You would know if it is active or not. Another way is to go on to Twitter. If the project appears on your Twitter page as discussions and not purely shields, they're doing extremely well. The last way is to see individual DPs. If a lot of people suddenly change their DP into their acquired NFT avatars from that particular project, this is a good sign to see, and that the community is awesome. The fourth pointer is the contract, which is the code of the project. The custom contracts tend to do better than the OpenSea standard contract. I'm not a coder, so I don't really care. I only care about the art pieces itself. But some people out there are coders, and they would want to invest in custom contracts and will only invest in ERC721 or 20 NFTs. My last pointer is the roadmap. This is somewhat important if you are an investor and not really a collector. More and more people want use cases for their NFTs, and most teams promise a lot on their roadmaps, saying that they will be having a game, having airdrops, but can they deliver on their promises? So one simple way to find out is to know if the team is genuine about their project. Just go onto their Discord or Twitter and ask them lots of questions. If they are nice and that they give regular updates and communicates with the community, that is a very good sign. Though a roadmap is not as important to NFT collectors because they invest purely because of the art. Before I move on to what I'm investing, I want to give a disclaimer first. NFTs are not as liquid as fungible tokens or coins, so you can't just sell at any time or day. But I'm having a lot of fun searching for these projects and collecting these art pieces, so invest at your own risk. So currently, these are the NFTs I have. Mostly Polymons, Polygon Punks, the Wolfgang, Fame Lady Squad, and one thing I'm interested in is the Dark Zodiac project, which I'll share later. So these are the NFTs I currently have in my OpenSea portfolio. You can check it out if you want at BCH1CK. So the project I'm most invested in is Polymon. I mentioned this in a previous video, so I'll go through it briefly. I got into the pre-sale and minted about 11 poly eggs at 0.075 Ethereum per egg. And this project is about poly monsters with a cyberspace theme, as mentioned by the team in Discord. So you have eggs at the start, and when the project launches, you can hatch them. And they have particularly 3 evolutions. You can combine a male and a female poly monster, basically evolve them. And the 2 poly monsters that you combine will be burnt. So essentially, there will be less and less poly monsters, which is a pretty cool aspect of the project. Oh, and the first 10 people who gets the 3rd evolution will get from 1 Ethereum to 15 Ethereum, depending on how fast you get the alpha poly monster, which is the 3rd evolution. I'll link the website and the Discord down below, and you can read more about it on the website, and you can join the Discord as well. They have a super dope community, and I've talked to the team. They are really nice people, and they have a nice community in there too. So, following the hype on CryptoPunks, I decided to buy some Polygon Punks that recently launched. Here is what I have, just a speculation play. If people decides to ape into Polygon Punks instead, because the floor is cheap as heck now, and gas fees are basically nothing on Polygon, well, great for me. I have 9 of them, so we shall see. I'll link the Telegram group link and website below if any of you are interested. The floor price is currently about 100 Matic. I also recently minted just one Wolfgang NFT. Though the art was not bad and the mint price was cheap, 0.03 Ethereum. But I'm not bullish on it or anything, it was just for fun. One project I'm keeping my eye on is a project about Chinese zodiacs made by a Singaporean based team. The 3D art is super dope, and I was mind blown by the art. Do check out the Discord and the website out. The website will definitely shock you guys. The Discord is not very active, but I'm sure it'll be in days to come. They are also having Twitter and Discord giveaways currently, so why not give it a go? Links will be below as well. So, rough summary of this project is basically they have 12 zodiacs, each with 6 different rarity tiers. So this is just one of the art. It's just a sculptures, but it's 3D art. Freaking amazing art. Do check it out. Lastly, I've mentioned this before, but if you want to find out about projects that have not launched yet and are going to, you can check this website out too, rarity.tools. Mentioned this before, so you can navigate to the upcoming tab over here, okay, and look out for the new projects. Or you can just follow some NFT guys on Twitter and get shielded by them. So that's it from me. If you like this video, please hit the like button if you haven't already. I make videos weekly, so subscribe if you want contents like this. And if you want to earn interest on your crypto, you can use Blockfi and receive up to $250. Link is in the description below. And as always, invest safe and smart. The markets are always here, but your capital may not. Peace.